In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with Zoho CRM. We'll use Make, the automation platform, to connect your accounting data with your sales data so they stay in sync without manual work. I'll walk you through exactly what to click and why, and share a few tips along the way to keep things smooth. First, head over to Make and log in. If you have more than one team or workspace, make sure you're in the right organization before you begin. It also helps to confirm that you have active access to both Xero and Zoho CRM with the permissions you'll need, since you'll be authorizing connections shortly. Having your login details handy will save time. Once you're in, click Create Scenario. This opens the canvas where your integration lives. Think of a scenario as a flow. One app triggers something, and the other app responds. You can give your scenario a clear name to keep things organized, and you'll see the visual editor where each app you add becomes a module you can configure. Next, add Xero and choose the prompt you want. In Make, a prompt here refers to a pre-built module or template that performs a specific action or listens for a specific change. Pick the option that best represents how you want Xero to behave in this flow. For example, you might choose a module that watches for new or approved invoices, or one that searches or creates contacts. Select the one that matches your business goal so the data you need will be available downstream. Now search for Zoho CRM and choose the prompt you want. This will typically be the action that happens in Zoho after Xero provides data. Depending on your process, you might select creating or updating a lead, contact, account, or deal. When you pick a Zoho CRM module, you'll be able to map the fields from Xero to the right places in Zoho so the information ends up exactly where your team expects it. When your modules are placed, log into both apps and complete the confirmation screens. Make will open secure authorization windows. For Xero, choose the correct organization if you have multiple tenants, and approve the requested permissions. For Zoho CRM, select the right region and portal, then grant access. Stick to the minimum permissions your scenario needs to keep things secure. After you confirm both connections, Make will remember them for future use. At this point, you can use the interface's Run Once option or sample data to verify that your prompts are configured correctly and that fields are mapping as intended. Save your changes and your integration is ready to go.